Hello everyone, welcome back to Take Retire FX, and in today's video I'll be giving us a very good strategy. It's a price action strategy that I'll be using to trade the boom and crash market. As you can see, I'm on boom 1000 1 hour time frame. Is perfect for this strategy. So if you want to use this strategy, it works for every other strategy, every other time frame, but we'll be using the 1 hour time frame. All right, you can still use 4 hours, but I most times use the 1 hour time frame to determine my market moves and all of that. All right, so this strategy is all about, first, I'll always tell you in this channel, understand the trend, figure out the trend. Then the next thing you go is to use the confluences of your strategy, both your time confluence, your indicator, your price actions, and all of that. Okay, but for this strategy, we'll be using the trend. We'll always follow the trend. I always buy in boom and sell in crash. Right, so for this reason, that is the strategy I'll be giving you, showing you how to do that. All right, so right now we have a selling market. We have a selling market, and over here we have a crossover of our MA, that's our moving average. Right, we have two moving averages here. This gives us a stronger trend. This gives us a stronger trend, shows us that this trend is going to be very strong because all candles are trading below it. Okay, all right, all candles are trading below it. All right, and this, we use this for our short-term confirmations. When we go down to 15 minutes, you see our short-term confirmations in 15 minutes. All right, okay, so therefore we'll go back to 1 hour time frame. First, we'll figure out the different levels and resistance zones. Okay, for this particular stuff, we'll be using the line right here, the line right here. Okay, that's what we'll be using to mark out the points or the resistance and support levels. All right, okay, I'll be using the line for the resistance and support level. I will be using boxes for some reason. All right, so for that reason, let's change to line to see it clearly. All right, the first resistance zone that we'll be looking at is this point. Okay, this is a point, first resistance zone. Okay, then we check out for another point, and this is a support zone. We check out for a resistance zone. This is another resistance zone. This is a complete resistance zone. There's actually a support for the market up here. All right, for the market up here, there's a support for it. Okay, so what we're now looking at here is not a break of the trend line. It's not a break of this resistance zone, but a test of the resistance zone. So what we are looking at in this market, that the market will go from here down to this point again to test this zone, this level. So when we go back to the this thing, you can see all this level we plotted are resistant zones, and we are plotting this based on the close of each of the candles. Are you with me? The close of each of the candles. We are not just plotting, but we are plotting for the close of each of the candles. So apparently this market would have to go down to this point to make another low, another lower low. All right, so when it makes another lower low, we would have to be expecting a support zone here. So this support zone would help us by giving us a confirmation of what is to happen to give us a W form. All right, we've had the first leg, that is a double bottom formation. That is when you're talking about chart patterns and all of that. But we are not doing that for today, so we are focusing on the resistance zone. You see, if I was to trade this market, I would have made money from here, sold right here, then exited. Let me zoom in and show you. All right, I would have started the market right here, exited right here, okay, then wait for a retest of this point now, which is what we are waiting out for now, which is giving us this. Are we together? So that's basically how to trade the boom and crash market. And we can still map out other points. There's another zone here. When you check it with your line, you see there's a zone there, very good zone. So we are expecting a retest over there. So when it touches there, then we would hope to get some candles there. Then the last line I'll give you, probably you can do it on your chart, is this one right here. Okay, so we'll now be looking out for another point there. All right, so thank you so much. This video would really help you to trade the forex market. You only find a trend. The first thing is to find a trend. After the trend, you look out for your resistance and support zones using your line chart, not the candlesticks. Use your line charts to get the resistance and support zones. So when you get that, you can either sell or buy depending on the market structure, depending on the market movement and what you anticipate in the market. All right, thank you so much. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. It's very important.